AI-generated art is taking the world by storm, but how does it actually work? In this video, we'll break down the technology behind AI art generation, from deep learning models to diffusion techniques, and explore how machines create stunning visuals from just a few words. AI art generation is powered by deep learning, a subset of machine learning that enables computers to analyze vast amounts of visual data and learn patterns. These models are trained on millions of images, allowing them to generate new, unique artworks based on textual descriptions. GANs consist of two neural networks, a generator that creates images and a discriminator that evaluates their realism. Through competition, GANs refine their outputs, producing increasingly detailed artwork. Diffusion models, like Stable Diffusion and DALL-E 3, work by starting with a noisy image and gradually refining it into a clear, high-quality artwork. This method allows for greater control over artistic style and composition. CLIP, developed by OpenAI, helps AI understand text descriptions and match them to relevant images. This enables AI tools like Midjourney and DALL-E to generate images based on natural language prompts with high accuracy. These technologies power popular AI art generators. Midjourney is known for its highly creative, dreamlike visuals, while DALL-E focuses on realistic and conceptually rich images. Stable Diffusion, on the other hand, offers open-source flexibility for custom AI art models. AI art is revolutionizing industries, from digital design to game development. But it also raises questions about copyright, originality, and ethical use. As AI models evolve, they will continue to redefine creativity in ways we've never imagined. What do you think about AI-generated art? Is it the future of creativity or just a tool for artists? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in AI and tech.